Meanings: phytology, the study of plants. Scientific, related to science or the scientific method, which involves observing, experimenting, and drawing conclusions based on evidence. Discipline, a specific field of study or area of knowledge. Diverse, having a variety of different types or forms. Aspects, different parts or features of something. Encompass, to include or cover a wide range of things. Structure, the way something is organized or put together. Plant reproduction, the process by which plants create new plants. Physiology, the study of how living organisms function and the processes that occur within them. Classification, the act of grouping things together based on their similarities. Ecology, the study of how organisms interact with each other and their environment. Crucial, extremely important or necessary. Role, the function or purpose that something or someone has. Process, a series of actions or steps taken to achieve a particular outcome. Sustenance, the act of providing the necessary things for survival and growth. Examining, looking closely at something to understand it better. Shedding light, providing information or making something clearer. Morphology, the study of the form and structure of organisms. Ranging, extending over a variety of different things. Microscopic, too small to be seen without a microscope. Tissues, groups of cells that work together to perform a specific function. Anatomy, the study of the structure of organisms and their parts. Analyze, to examine something in detail to understand its nature or significance. Internal, located or occurring inside something. Arrangement, the way things are organized or arranged. Vascular, relating to blood vessels or plant tubes that transport water and nutrients. Classify, to arrange things into groups based on their similarities. Function, the purpose or role that something has. Occur, to happen or take place. Acquire, to obtain or get something. Utilize, to make use of something. Stimuli, things that cause a response or reaction in organisms. Convert, to change something into a different form or state. Transpiration, the process by which plants lose water through their leaves. Respiration, the process of breathing or obtaining energy from food. Hormone, chemical substances that regulate processes in living organisms. Regulation, controlling or managing something according to rules or principles. Insights, understanding or awareness gained from information or observation. Adapt, to adjust or change in response to new conditions. Thrive, to grow, develop, and be successful. Condition, the state or quality of something. Delve, to explore or investigate deeply. Mechanism, a system or process that works in a particular way. Sexual reproduction in plants, the process by which plants create new plants by combining male and female reproductive cells. Asexual reproduction in plants, the process by which plants create new plants without the involvement of seeds. Offspring, the children or young of a particular parent or parents. Involvement, being included or participating in something. Botanist, a scientist who studies plants. Pollination, the transfer of pollen from the male part of the plant to the female part. Fertilization in plants, the fusion of male and female reproductive cells to form seeds. Dispersal, the movement or spreading of seeds or offspring to new locations. Comprehend, to understand or grasp something. Employed, used or utilized. Systematic, done according to a plan or method. Associated, connected or linked with something. Identification, the act of recognizing or determining what something is. Taxonomy, the science of classification and categorizing organisms. Examine, to look at or study something closely. Genetic in plants, related to genes or heredity in plants. Evolutionary, relating to the process of change in organisms over time. Genera, the plural form of genus, a category used in classifying organisms. Aids, helps or assists in something. Documentation, the act of recording or providing evidence about something. Ecology, the study of how organisms interact with each other and their environment. Ecologist, a scientist who studies ecology. Community, a group of organisms living together and interacting in a particular area. Dynamic, changing or characterized by constant activity or progress. Cycling, the process of moving in cycles or repeating patterns. Sustainable, able to be maintained or continued over the long term. Management, the act of controlling or handling something. Resource, something that can be used to achieve a particular purpose. Practical, useful or applicable in real-life situations. Application, the use or implementation of something for specific purpose. Fields, different areas of study or work. Vital, essential or crucial. Agriculture, the practice of farming and cultivating plants and animals for food and other products. Horticulture, the cultivation and management of plants, especially for food, medicinal purposes, or aesthetics. Pharmacology, the study of drugs and their effects on living organisms. Environmental, related to the natural surroundings or the environment. Crop yields, the amount of crops produced per unit of land. Disease-resistant variety, a type of plant that is less susceptible to diseases. Enhance, to improve or make something better. Cultivate, to grow or nurture plants or crops. Ornamental plants, plants that are grown for decorative purposes. Landscape, the visible features of an area of land, including natural and human-made elements. Utilize, to make use of or employ something. Assess, to evaluate or judge the quality or value of something. Mitigate, to lessen or reduce the impact or severity of something. interdisciplinary, involving multiple disciplines or fields of study. Implication: the potential consequences or effects of something. Contribute: to give or provide something, often in a positive or helpful way. Preservation: the act of protecting or conserving something for future generations.